Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to deposit BNB from Trust Wallet to Binance. So the first step is go to the Binance app, and here you need to pick in the option of wallets. So in this part you need to pick here in BNB, and now you need to pick in the deposit crypto. So in that part you need to select a network, you pick here for example, and now the only thing you need to do is copy the deposit address, or you can scan the QR code, is your choice, but I copy the address, and now I go to Trust Wallet, and in this part you need to select BNB here. The only thing you need to do for finish the process is picking send, and there they said to you need to put here the direction of Binance and put the how much you can transfer of BNB to Binance. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.